In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Robinhood transfer, debit card, and credit card limits. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in so you're on the main screen. If you haven't used the app in a while, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the most accurate menus and icons. Once you're in, we'll use the bottom navigation bar to find exactly where your different limits live. To get an overview of your account and access key settings, tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like a person's silhouette. This area is your hub for transfers, statements, and other account specifics, and it's the starting point for checking your deposit and withdrawal limits. If you want to see your transfer limits for deposits and withdrawals, look for the transfers option from this account area. Open transfers, then select transfer limits. Here you'll see your current deposit and withdrawal caps. These amounts can vary based on your account history and funding method, and they may change over time. Knowing these numbers helps you plan larger moves without running into delays or declined transfers. If you use the Robinhood Cash card, your spending and ATM limits are in a different spot. Tap the Spending tab, which is marked by a money icon. Inside, you can view your daily purchase limit and your ATM withdrawal limit. This is especially useful if you're budgeting or traveling, so you know how much you can spend or withdraw in a single day. If you don't see the Spending tab, it likely means you don't have the Cash card set up on your account. For credit card limits, head to your main balance screen and tap the small info icon, the letter I. This brings up details about your available credit and spending limits. Available credit is what you can use right now, while your total limit is the maximum assigned to your card. Keep in mind that pending transactions and payments being processed can affect what you see as available. If something looks different on your screen or you want more specifics about how limits are calculated, open the help section within the Robinhood app. You can search for topics like transfer limits, spending limits, or credit availability to get official guidance and the most current policy details. Help articles often explain why limits change, how long transfers take, and what to expect when you make adjustments. That's it. By checking transfers, the Spending tab, and the info icon on your balance, you'll always know your limits and can plan confidently